Bella was the happiest little bunny in the forest. Every morning, she skipped along the flower path, greeting butterflies and birds with a cheerful smile. But Bella had one strange habit: she was always in a hurry. One sunny morning, she rushed so fast that she didn't notice a tiny turtle trying to cross the path. "Oh dear!" cried the turtle as Bella almost bumped into him. Bella quickly stopped. "I'm sorry, I was racing the sunshine." The turtle smiled kindly. "Sometimes the sunshine is prettier when we walk slowly." Bella decided to slow down for the first time. As they walked together, she noticed sparkling dew on the flowers, birds singing softly in the trees, and golden sunlight dancing on the leaves. "That's beautiful," Bella whispered. From that day on, Bella still loved to hop and play, but she also learned that life feels sweeter when you slow down and notice the little things.